Hey guys, it's Dr. Tim Harrigan. I wanted to go over supplement ingredients. We've done lots of videos in the past that talk about all the different fillers and additives and how plants are processed, and by the time I take it, is it actually therapeutic anymore? Does it have heavy metals in it? Is it synthetic? Is it isolated from all its other cofactors so it doesn't even understand anything in my body? My body literally doesn't understand it as a natural thing, which is a left-handed spin in biology or chemistry. One of those things that we want you to look out for and be careful of is, everybody's doing this, by the way, it's something where we don't want to take something that our body is supposed to produce, okay? So if somebody lifts weights for years, right? Obviously we know their bone density is going to get stronger, their muscles are going to get bigger, but if they stop doing that, use it or lose it, their muscles and bone density will slowly go away after that. This applies to your nutrition or chemicals that the body produces as well, because it's use it or lose it. 3 examples. One is testosterone, one is hydrochloric acid, which is what your stomach produces, and the other one is melatonin, okay? We will rarely ever recommend anything like that that your body produces. For you've been struggling maybe with energy, maybe your hormones are off or whatever, and I give you testosterone. You're gonna feel incredible. The problem now is though, that my body wasn't producing enough before, that's why I needed it. Now my brain says I have plenty of testosterone in my body, whether it's a pill or injection, and your brain shuts down the organs that produce testosterone. Now those organs that used to produce it, which were already struggling, that's why I was low, shut down even more, and they literally stop being used anymore. The adrenals produce it, lots of organs do. So you shut down that whole pathway. Those organs stop working properly. Use it or lose it. So try to get somebody off that testosterone in 1 year, 5 years, 10 years. Good luck with that, okay? So that's a pretty extreme example, but the next one is a very common one we see all the time, hydrochloric acid. There's a lot of products out there, digestive products that are digestive enzymes. Your body produces digestive enzymes though. We don't want to take those. We want to take things as a supplement that are essential to our body. So we only supplement with food enzymes, not digestive enzymes. Most digestive products on the market, go to any store out here, they will have usually hydrochloric acid, HCl, or they will have something else that came from animal organs, okay? Things your pancreas produces and stuff like that. Well, I don't want to do that either. If I give my body hydrochloric acid, which is stomach acid in a pill, my stomach shuts down its own production. Again, your brain shuts down that mechanism because your body has plenty of it, even though you're not producing it. Now, those organs, again, get weaker and slower and less useful over time, and the longer you don't use something, the harder it gets to rebuild it, whether it's your hormones or glands or your stomach acid and digestive enzymes. And here's another one, melatonin. I will rarely recommend melatonin to people, and it works great for a lot of people. It does help people sleep a lot better. The problem is your body produces that as well, okay? So if we give it to the body, those organs and systems shut down. Your brain says we have plenty, stop doing what you're doing, and that system will get weaker over time. So you'll notice almost everything we do is going a little further to address the cause of a problem versus just give your body what it's low in. That's not good in many, many situations. So be safe with that, be careful. Let us know if you have any questions. And again, rarely do we want to supplement with something or take something that my own body produces. Now we do want to figure out, how do I get my body producing more of that and work on those systems? Absolutely, but not many people are doing that. Most nutritionists and herbalists are actually still using supplements to treat your symptoms, but not rebuilding something or making something stronger, right? I could give you feverfew, which is an herb that helps with migraines many times, but if I'm not affecting why I'm getting the migraines, you're just treating symptoms with a supplement, which I guess is safer than medications, but we want to rebuild the problem, strengthen those tissues and organs that aren't doing their job so that we can actually start doing that on our own versus supplementing with something my body should be producing, but it's not. Thanks, guys.